Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. In our continuation of our video series on Linux, we're going to take a look at how to manage users and permissions from the command line in Linux. Let's go ahead and take a look at the details. User permission management is crucial for Linux security. Using commands like add user, usermod, chmod, and chown, administrators can effectively manage users and permissions. This guide offers a step-by-step approach to ensure a secure and organized system. User permissions and management is crucial for Linux security. Tools like add user, usermod, chmod, and chown help administrators manage users, groups, and permissions effectively. This guide provides steps to ensure a secure and organized system. To create a new user in Linux, use the -m option to create a home directory. You can use add user for Debian-based systems, which is a user-friendly and prompts for details at each step of the way, or user add for manual configuration. To change user details, use the usermod command. You can add a user to a group using the -G option and change a user's default shell. Here are the steps to remove a user from the system and how to delete the user along with their home directory. Here are some essential tasks for managing user groups, including creating new groups, assigning users to groups, and viewing a user's group and removing groups. To view file permissions, use ls-l command. It shows the detailed file information. Permissions include RW for owner read and write, and -R for groups and others for read only. Here's how to modify file permissions both symbolically and numerically. Symbolically, you can add execute permissions for the owner and remove write permissions for others. Numerically, setting permissions 755 means the owner has read, write, and execute permission, while the group and others have read and execute permissions. These are the commands for changing file ownership. It includes changing the owner of a file, changing both owner and group, and recursively changing ownership for a directory using the chown command. Here's how to change a group of a file. Use the change group command, or chgrp. To restrict a user's administrative rights, remove them from the sudo group. This prevents them from executing commands with elevated privileges. To grant users administrative privilege, add them to the sudo group. To manage user accounts effectively, follow the principle of least privilege. Regularly audit accounts for unauthorized access and use sudo for administrative tasks to prevent unintended changes. In summary, managing users and permissions is crucial for a secure Linux system. Use commands like add user, usermod, chmod, and chown to control access and privileges. Follow best practices to prevent unauthorized access and ensure users have the permissions they need. Well, that's all for this video. I hope it's given you some solid details on how to manage user groups and file permissions. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. That's all for now. I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye.